Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an Alexa skill using the ASK CLI. Now, there are various ways to build an Alexa skill, but using the ASK CLI is one of the most efficient ones and is something that I personally use whenever I'm building Alexa skills. This video is divided into two parts. Part one is going to be how we install and set up the ASK CLI, and then part two is going to be how we can build a simple Hello World Alexa skill.
My name is Syed Shah, and I'm the founder and CTO of 12Tech.
The ASK CLI is available as an NPM package. So just like with any NPM package, we can just install using the install command, and we're going to use the global option.
Now, to configure the ASK CLI, all you gotta do is enter ask configure. Since I am on a EC2 instance and I don't have UI enabled, so I would have to specify the no browser option. But if you are on your local host or you are forwarding X, even if you are remotely logged in but you have UI enabled, then you should do ask configure. So with this option, I just need to copy this URL and paste it, and then log in using my Amazon developer account, and this is the code that I need to enter. Okay, so since I work with a lot of clients, I have multiple vendors set up on my account. So I'm just gonna select the one for my company. So here it's asking, because Ask would need AWS access to create the Lambda functions and all the resources required to host the skill. So it's asking whether I want to link my AWS account, and yes, of course. And then I'm just gonna select the default profile. Okay, so now this should be all set up. Okay, so now that all the dependencies are set up, we're gonna use the ASK CLI to create a new skill for us. And if you look at the help command for the CLI, you're gonna see there's a new command here, and this is what we're gonna use to create the skill. So ask new, and we're gonna select NodeJS as the runtime, and we are going to host the skill using AWS Lambda. We can select the Hello World template, and we can say name could be the same, and it needs get on the host. So let me go ahead and install that. Okay, so I just installed get. Let me check. Yes, it's installed. And let's try to run that command again. Okay, now if you're gonna see, the CLI has created a folder named Hello World, which is the name of the project that we gave. And this is where all the files and resources are for the skill. So at this point, the skill has been created locally, but it hasn't been deployed yet. So we're gonna use the deploy command to deploy the skill to our Amazon account. And it did take a few minutes, but then it was able to successfully complete all the steps and deploy the skill. And now let's go to the Amazon developer console. So as you can see, the skill has been successfully deployed to my Amazon account. And let's just take a quick peek inside. And it has one intent basically, and it gets invoked when these utterances are said by the user. So in a separate video, I am going to dig deeper in the world of intents and slot. But right now, I just want to show the skill in action. So we're gonna test it. But before we start testing it, this is important, the invocation name of our skill. So let's just change this to something else. Call it my skill. Okay. Then build. Okay, time to test it now. And in order to test it, you just go on the test tab, and then you should be able to enter as text or voice input. So the invocation name for our skill is my skill. So I'm just gonna say open my skill.
Welcome. You can say hello or help. Which would you like to try?
Hello.
You said hello world.
Okay, so congratulations, your first custom Alexa skill has been deployed.